We are really waiting for you to show your face and to show us, I don't know, your voice. I wanna hear your voice. I swear. I can't sleep. I wanna hear your voice. I wanna see how your voice will be looking like. You know. Anyways, thank you so. Okay, wait. Okay.